Take the motor cable and insert each of the coloured cables to match the corresponding colours on the test lead. The test lead will work as hold to run. Remove the yellow cap from the motor and compress the yellow and white button. This will allow you complete control. Drive the axle in the down position and you will notice a sticker on the axle advising how many turns are required to tension the spring. Follow these instructions. It's normally 6 or 7 turns. Drive the door to the down position and release the down limit. The tensioning is now complete and ready for the curtain.